who was given the title of Jatin Bakka? Ram Vinod Singh, Christo Rai, Nirmal Chandra Banerjee, Ganga Narayan. The correct answer is Ram Vinod Singh. In which year the Congress committee was organized in Ranchi to lead the freedom movement? 1918, 1920, 1921, 1928. The correct answer is 1920. Under whose presidentship the Congress constituted Non-Cooperation Committee? Rajendra Prasad, Mohammad Hassan, Lieutenant Edward Gait, Shyam Krishna Sahai. The correct answer is Mohammad Hassan. In which year the Simon Commission came to Jharkhand? 1925, 1928, 1927, 1929. The correct answer is 1927. After which incident Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement in 1922? Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Chauri Chaura, Bhumi's revolt, none of the above. The correct answer is Chauri Chaura. Who was the editor of Tarun Shakti magazine of Chaibasa? Kamal Chakravarti, Nirmal Chakravarti, Ashim Chakravarti, Arun Chakravarti. The correct answer is Kamal Chakravarti. In 1928-29, who launched a no-rent campaign against the kings and the zamindars of Ranchi and Palamu? Tana Bhagat, Bhomij, Chero, Bose. The correct answer is Tana Bhagat. At the time of Quit India movement, people of Hunterganj police are denied to pay Chaukidari tax, education tax, agriculture tax, none of the above. The correct answer is Chaukidari tax. Ramgarh session of Congress held in 1940, 1942, 1920, 1945. The correct answer is 1940. In Jamshedpur, 1942, police mutinied under the leadership of Ramanand Tiwari, Mahavir Verma, Saroj Das, none of the above. The correct answer is Ramanand Tiwari. In which city all employees, mill workers and people went on a strike on 13th August 1942? Palamu, Jamshedpur, Ranchi, Giridih. The correct answer is Jamshedpur. On 9th November 1942, Jayaprakash Narayan with other 5 leaders escaped from Hazaribagh jail, Bhagalpur jail, Ranchi jail, Jamshedpur jail. The correct answer is Hazaribagh jail. In Quit India movement, Ramanand Tiwari was a leader from Jamshedpur, Ranchi, Palamu, Santhal Pargana. The correct answer is Jamshedpur. Which revolutionary leader was hanged to death in 1785? Tana Bhagat, Tilka Manjhi, Jaipal Singh, none of these. The correct answer is Tilka Manjhi. Shahi Bala Roy, Saraswati Devi and Sada Devi participated in SALT movement in Hazaribagh, SALT movement in Palamu, Quit India movement, Non-Cooperation movement. The correct answer is SALT movement in Hazaribagh. Who among the following initiated the coal movement in 1931-32? Birsa Munda, Bhagirath Manjhi, Buddhu Bhagat, Simon Arab. The correct answer is Buddhu Bhagat. When was Tilka Manchi hanged by the Britishers? 1760, 1765, 1785, 1771. The correct answer is 1785. Who started Santhal movement? Sidhu Kanu, Chand Bhairav, both 1 and 2, none of these. The correct answer is Sidhu Kanu. Who led the mutiny of soldiers in Doranda Ranchi army camp? Telanga Khadiya, Pandey Ganpat Rai, Buddhu Bhagat, none of the above. The correct answer is Pandey Ganpat Rai. Ganga Narayan Singh belonged to the Jamindar family of Singhbhum, Ranchi, Barbhum, Palamu. The correct answer is Barbhum. Khairwar movement was started under the leadership of Bhagirath Manjhi on 1868, 1933, 1795, 1815. The correct answer is 1868. Khairwar movement for independence was started in Jharkhand by the leadership of Bhagirath Manjhi, Sheikh Bhikhari, Baburam Narayan Singh, Jaipal Singh Munda. The correct answer is Bhagirath Manjhi. Birsa Munda was born in 1875, 1890, 1874, 1881. The correct answer is 1875. Which leader started a new sect that believed in only one god? Ganga Narayan, Tilka Manjhi, Jatra Bhagat, Bhagirath Manjhi. The correct answer is Bhagirath Manjhi. Birsa Munda died of cholera in the prison of Ranchi on April 1900, July 1900, June 1899, June 1900. The correct answer is June 1900. In Adivasi Samaj, Birsa Munda is known as Dharti Aba, Abua Disun Lal, Dombari Pila, Lok Nayak. The correct answer is Dharti Aba.